वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा। रब हौसला, वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा। यूं थक कर ना बैठ मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल में मिलेगी और मिलने का मजा भी आएगा। With that, respected chief guests, honored dignitaries, respected teachers, my dear juniors, aka the future of this country, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very warm afternoon to you all. I am Zainab Amatullah, an intermediate second year student of YPC at Shani Junior College, preparing for DEEM 2026. Before I say anything else, I want you to look at me for a moment. I am not very different from you. 2 years ago, I was sitting in the same chair, uniform slightly uncomfortable, heart slightly heavy, mind full of questions I was scared to ask. Everyone around me kept saying, 10th is very important, your future depends on it. And slowly, the sentence started feeling like a weight on my chest. If any one of you feels that weight today, you're not weak, you're human. Let me tell you something that nobody tells students. You're not afraid of the exam. Your fear is disappointing people. You fear your parents' silent expectations. You fear your teacher's trust. You fear that one marks memo that might decide how people look at you. You fear, and sometimes you forget how capable you actually are. I know what many of you thinking are right now. There is so little time left. I should have started earlier. Let me tell you something honestly. This phase is not about regret, it is about response. Class 10 is not just another class. It is the point on a tree where the trunk slowly begins to branch. From here, your path separates into streams, choices, higher studies. How you stand at this point matters. If this phase goes well, you walk forward with confidence. Confidence to choose your subject, confidence to trust your decisions, confidence to believe in your ability to handle pressure. And if you slip here, not because of failure, because of carelessness, every step ahead feels heavier, not impossible, but harder. When time is less, panic feels natural. But panic never improves performance, clarity does. So if you feel overwhelmed, the first thing you need to do is to stop trying to study everything. At this stage, trying to cover the entire syllabus only creates fear. Instead, strengthen what you already know, revise important topics, revisit the basics. Confidence does not come from learning new chapters at last moment. It comes from familiarity, from knowing I have seen this before or I know this. Another mistake many students make at this point is measuring study by hours. Long hours don't matter anymore. Focused hours. Even 40 to 45 minutes of sincere study with your phone away is more powerful than 3 distracted hours. And please remember this, most of your time is not lost into books. It is lost worrying about results, ranks, comparisons, expectations. Fear silently eats.
Thematic analysis, no? The theme is given more weightage than the grammatical errors. So that is why summarize each lesson briefly using your own words, include your reflections. Okay, for example, I have seen the cracked foot of my father for the first time. Being the elderly son, he has never washed his father's cracked heel. Right? So that is how would you feel? If you are in the you try to write your own reflection in a paragraph. Write one sentence on each thing that will become your reflection. If you are able to write your own reflection in the form of paragraph, you can answer any question. Fourth is silent bond between father and son. Fifth is a simple request with a deep meaning. Third is write your own summary. If you are able to write this actual question, analytical question, inferential questions and reflective questions. So factual question is it expects only facts. Okay. For example, who were these parents? Okay.
Left side is called as a very traditional way. Both are acceptable. You don't worry about the layout. Both are acceptable.
Next question is that some people don't have a nice handwriting. So how they can present their paper in a better way?
Right. So that is why I tell you one thing. Try to maintain proper space between words and sentences, line spaces. That space will enable the examiner to read.
అర్థం కావాలి సబ్జెక్ట్ లోని టెక్నిక్స్ ఏందో మనకు క్లారిటీ రావాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని పిల్లల కోసము ఎంతో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గా అరేంజ్ చేసినటువంటి వేదిక మీద పెద్దలందరికీ నా యొక్క నమస్కారాలు. వచ్చేసినటువంటి పెద్దలందరూ కూడా నా నమస్కారాలు. నేర్చుకున్నటువంటి పిల్లలందరికీ నా యొక్క బెస్ట్ విషెస్. టెక్నిక్స్ మీరు ఈ 10th క్లాస్ పూర్తయిన తర్వాత ఇంటర్మీడియట్కి వెళ్ళిపోతారు.
Don't run towards it. Just work hard sincerely with your sincere efforts.
And Shaheen Junior College is also a good platform. After that, you can join here also. Honestly, I also had a great experience in this college. Now I am studying in the second year BPC in Shaheen Junior College itself. For the 10 students, all the boys and girls, don't feel pressurized. It's just a mini step with so much strength and knowledge within you.
Okay? And the remaining 7. What are the remaining 7 lessons? So chemical equations. Right? And the next one, third lesson, acids, bases and salts. The next lesson, chemistry, structure of atom. Ohmic and non-ohmic. What is ohmic materials and what are non-ohmic materials? So EMF and potential difference. Chemical bonding. And the last lesson is not last lesson. The principles of metallurgy. And 12th and last.
Exams. So maximally how many elements we have to write hard? Atomic numbers and their atomic masses.
1 to 30.
1 to
1 to
30.
30.
Is it enough?
Is it enough? It is enough.
Okay,
So
thank
1
you,
to
sir.
30 elements.
And one more question is that the chapter number 12, carbon and its compounds, it is about organic chemistry.
Yes.
And I'm very interested in organic chemistry. What should I study in my future so that I can take a job in that field?
So chemistry, that is in the intermediate one. ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ నుంచి బ్యాడ్ లక్ ఏంటంటే ఏ ఇయర్ నుంచి కూడా క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో మార్క్స్ వస్తలేవు నాన్న. కానీ ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ అనేది మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్ స్టడీస్. కాబట్టి ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్స్ గురించి నామానిక్లేచర్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. యూ టు ప్రిపేర్ ద నామానిక్లేచర్, హౌ టు రైట్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్ అండ్ నేమ్స్ దట్.
Material should be depend for preparing for the board exams. Textbook or the workbook.
It's a very good question. So you have to prepare only textbook. This is CCE method. CCE method means you have to know about all the academic standards. You first
घर में 5 साल तक जो एजुकेशन का डिपार्टमेंट में काम करते थे మనం ముఖ్యంగా అలాంటి ఇతర రంగంలో కూడా మనందరం ముందుకు రావాలి. ఎందుకంటే పిల్లల భవిష్యత్తు దేశ భవిష్యత్తు కాబట్టి మీరందరూ देश की तरक्की होती, बच्चे जितना तरक्की होते हैं देश में उतना तरक्की होती. टाइम वाले बेटे बंदे में उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ टाइम का एक अच्छा काम अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट में मैनेजमेंट बनाए. आप
अभी भाई बहुत शुक्रिया शिवलाए बच्चों को हिम्मत अफजाई की. और शाहीन के बारे में काफ़ी लोग बता रहे हैं, लेकिन हम लोग वी आर प्रो एजुकेशन. वी बिलीव इन एम्पावरमेंट थ्रू एजुकेशन. ये हमारी फिलॉसफी है, एम्पावरमेंट थ्रू एजुकेशन. एंड बिलीविंग इन दैट कॉज we have started this college. फर्स्ट ईयर में ही हम 3 बच्चों को फुल स्कॉलरशिप के साथ फ्री हॉस्टल के साथ हमने एजुकेशन दिया. और one of them has become a topper in this state. स्टूडेंट्स नीड बेस्ड एंड मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स को हमने 5 स्टूडेंट्स को भी स्कॉलरशिप दिया 100%. और 20 डिजर्विंग स्टूडेंट्स को हमने 50% स्कॉलरशिप दी। तो ये ब्लैकिंग कॉलेज के जो रिजल्ट जो आए, हमने हमारे रिजवान साहब की मेहनत है और माशाल्लाह हम लोग हमारे पॉलिसीज हैं कि टू प्रोवाइड क्वालिटी एजुकेशन एट अफोर्डेबल कॉस्ट, और इसी नजरिए की बिना हम लोग बेहतरीन फैकल्टी को हमने अपॉइंट किया। द टॉप ऑफ द टॉप फैकल्टी हमारे कॉलेज में अवेलेबल है, और हम लोग क्लास के हद तक ही नहीं बल्कि वी गो बियॉन्ड द क्लासरूम। आफ्टर क्लास आवर्स में भी हम बच्चों को गाइड करते हैं और एडिशनल स्पेशल क्लासेस लेके उनको कॉम्पिटेंट बना के एंड टॉपर बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह आइंदा साल भी हम इससे ज्यादा स्टैंडर्ड सेट कर रहे हैं।
College Director Shahid Engineer College Director, the dynamic principal of Shahid Engineer College, Rizwan sir, and all the faculty members and my dear students. Today I am feeling very happy because after a long time I have been associated with the students because I was a professor for about. I want to stress one more thing also. My auntie that she has completed PhD in electrical engineering from Purdue University. She has
known questions, very well answered questions, then little thinking questions, then difficult questions. You will get the confidence in the examination hall that boosts to you. The ending questions you will do perfectly without mistake. While going to paper evaluation, myself and my colleagues, everybody will see the answers. Never see that small mistakes not considered to cut the marks. Suppose one answer sheet I got it, first 4 questions I did well.
By 1 minus cos theta equals to sec theta plus cos theta. Why we have to do that explanation?
The question is under root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. It is not the question, will not executed. 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta will be executed. Whenever the type of model is there, what the denominator, what the numerator, the same with multiply the numerator and denominator. 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. These model questions. But different functions will not be given in the single root. That will not execute. 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, or else 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. What numerator is that? That you have to take to multiply both numerator and denominator.
If possible, any time, and I would appreciate the development from the teachers. The teachers have said that free education, and the maths teacher has said us the important questions, and we asked our doubts.
Better best for all of the students of SSC March 2026, and I, my friends and everybody here gained many of the new things we didn't knew from the experts of the Warangal, and I am thankful to this organizations, organizers, and I request them to keep these
the slides. And coming to part B is for 10 marks, but part B can test 40 marks of your knowledge. How? Say, let us take one type of question, match the following. You know the match the following kind of questions in part B, isn't it?
Member and digital coordinator, Diksha portal and IFB partner, and all our things is there. But कहीं आपके सामने उम्मीद लेकर आया हूँ। वो उम्मीद यहाँ पर लेकर आया था 9 बजे, जब मैं देखा कई प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रमों को मैंने निर्वहन किया, लेकिन आज तक नहीं देखा जो भी इंटरवल ब्रेक नहीं लेकर जो छात्र आज जितना दिलचस्पी से कक्षाएं सुन रहे हैं, उसके लिए मैं आपको साक्षात नमन कर रहा हूँ और दे रहा हूँ। जिस उम्मीद लेकर आया हूँ मैं यहाँ पर, उसके लिए मैं कुछ शब्द आपके सामने रखना चाह रहा हूँ। वो मेरे लिए शाहीन कॉलेज के लिए मेरी ओर से अभिजीत है, तो शब्द यहाँ पर ध्यान से सुनिए। उम्मीद है अंक पाने की, भविष्य उज्ज्वल बनाने की। उम्मीद है अंक पाने की, भविष्य उज्ज्वल बनाने की। जीवन के पथ पर आगे बढ़ेंगे, सफलता के शिखर पर चलेंगे। ज्ञान के दीप जलाएंगे, अंधेरे की उजाला करेंगे। उम्मीद है भविष्य के सपनों को सच्चे होगी, खुशियों के आपने। और उसी तरह हर परीक्षा में आगे बढ़ेंगे, उज्ज्वल भविष्य की राह पकड़ेंगे, सफलता के द्वार पर खुलेंगे और जीवन में खुशियां मिलेगी। शाहीन के संग आप रहे तो मेरा ये विश्वास है कि मन पूर्ण करने के लिए सर चलिए सर, मैं अब आपको आपका समय बर्बाद नहीं करना चाह रहा हूँ। मैं आपको यहाँ पर प्रश्न पत्र नहीं बताऊंगा। प्रश्न पत्र नहीं बताकर प्रश्न पत्र का प्रारूप तो आप जानते हैं।
Of Shaheen Junior College and all the staff members, sir. Excellent teamwork on behalf of Shaheen Junior College. Keep it up. Congratulations. Thank you, everyone. First to the girls for you. Boys, again your marks will be counted. After the girls leaving, then the boys.
MA स्टेट जनरल सेक्रेटरी एन रमेश राव ने भी बतौर मेहमान खुसूसी शिरकत की। प्रोग्राम के दौरान तेलंगाना स्टेट SCERT की रिसोर्स टीम ने तालीमी व रहनुमाई सेशन पेश करते हुए तलबा को आला तालीम, मुसाबिकती इम्तिहानात और कैरियर के मुख्तलिफ मौक़े से मुतालिक जामा और मुफीद रहनुमाई फराहम की, जिसे तलबा ने बेहद सराहा।
मोहम्मद रिजवान, शाहीन जूनियर कॉलेज। MMS, under MMS we have conducted orientation program for the students, for their betterment, for exam orientation. It is conducted by has around 40 plus schools, which is very successful, and from all the schools the students have come here to gain the knowledge and prepare well for the exam.
मुस्लिम मैनेजमेंट स्कूल्स एसोसिएशन वरंगल तेलंगाना एक रजिस्टर्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारे वरंगल से सिटी के अंदर 40 से भी ज़्यादा हमारे MMS के स्कूल्स है और कई स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं हमारे पास। तो इससे ये जो सो ट्रस्मा तेलंगाना रिकॉग्नाइज स्कूल्स मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन का एक हिस्सा है। हमारे स्कूल एसोसिएशन एक पुराना एसोसिएशन है जो 1984 से एग्जिस्टिंग में है और एक रजिस्टर्ड है। तो मुस्लिम मैनेजमेंट स्कूल्स एसोसिएशन का एम एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है बोले, हमारे मुस्लिम्स के बच्चे एजुकेशन में आगे आए। हमारे पास कई ऐसे बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, अंडर प्रिविलेज बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं और हमारे पास बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन के बच्चे ऐसे बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं। हम उनको फी कंसेशन दे के, मेरिट स्कॉलरशिप दे के जो हम उनको इनकरेज करते हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम उनको 10th तक हमारे पास अच्छी एजुकेशन दिया जा रहा है।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज मुस्लिम मैनेजमेंट स्कूल वरंगल की तरफ से एसएससी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम रखा गया है, जिसमें माहिरीन तालीम जो CRT के गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से मुतय्यन है उनकी खिदमत हासिल की गई। हर सब्जेक्ट पर सैर होकर उन्होंने गुफ्तगू की, बच्चों के डाउट्स भी क्लियर किए, मुख्तलिफ कॉन्सेप्ट को अलग अलग अंदाज में समझाया। इम्तिहान में कैसा पर्चा आता है, किस तरीके का आता है, किस तरीके से पर्चे को समझना चाहिए, लिखना चाहिए, और मुख्तलिफ नौइयतों से कॉन्सेप्ट जो अलग अलग हो सकते हैं, और सैर हासिल गुफ्तगू नज़रात ने की, काफ़ी फ़ायदा हुआ। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये प्रोग्राम बहुत ही अच्छे मुनज़्ज़म अंदाज में मुनक़िद हुआ। शाहीन ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन, शाहीन जूनियर कॉलेज वरंगल की तरफ से इसको स्पॉन्सर किया गया। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि तलबा इससे काफ़ी फ़ायदा उठाते हुए अपने मुस्तक़बिल को